Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Eric Heckstall. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about beard dandruff. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Beard dandruff, those flaky, nasty, little dry skin cells that you find on your shirt, usually on the lapel or the shoulder, they're embarrassing, right? So here's how you can prevent that. Washing your beard regularly, exfoliating the skin beneath, and using a good beard oil. A leave-in conditioner also can be an extra plus to your beard, but the beard oil is essential. So what happens is the beard oil not only moisturizes the hair, but the skin beneath the beard. Because what you're getting is the dry skin. And that's what's happening when you're combing or brushing through your beard. It's leaving all of that extra dry skin on your shirt. And who wants that, right? So get yourself a great beard oil, something with maybe argan oil, jojoba oil. We use a patois oil. Those are my recommendations, but I also suggest a great exfoliant because that's going to also loosen up that dry skin. So wash your beard regularly, exfoliate, and use a nice beard oil to prevent those flaky dandruff flakes that are all over your shirt and your comb and brush. So before I learned about beard oil, I'd be brushing my beard, combing my beard, and I'm like, what is all of this white stuff on my shirt? I didn't put two and two together that it was the dandruff or the dry skin beneath the beard. And what was happening is it was accumulating in the comb and the brush, or more or less in the brush, not so much in the comb. But because I usually keep a shorter beard, and I only had to brush it. But I'm brushing my beard, and I'm like, what is this stuff coming out of my brush and it's on my shirt? So did a little research. But outside of the research, we designed the beard oil, but before I designed it, I started using beard oil on my own beard, which was part of my inspiration to design the beard oil. So I know what you're going through, and it's something I look for now. And having a background in barbering, it's easy to pick up. A barber's eyes are going to pick up on precision, on the small details. So when I see a client that sits in my chair and I could, I see he may not even notice it himself, but I'll notice it. And that means other people notice it as well. So get yourself a good beard oil. Get yourself a great exfoliant. Well, let me reverse that. Get yourself a great beard oil and get yourself a good exfoliant. And moisturize your beard. I'm Eric Heckstall.